Vectra-C 2006 with a Z18XER engine. Every so often I will get a drop in revs. Can't really see it too well on here. Give me a second. It's very slight, but you can feel a hesitation in the car, and I can hear a slight sucking noise from the engine bay. Okay, you can probably hear the noise, which appears to be coming from around here. I think it's the PCV valve. One way you can tell, probably. As you can see, I'll take the cam cover, and as you can hear, now the engine runs really badly due to a leak, and you can hear if I put the cap back on. Really difficult to get this off. Hear major suction coming through. Put it back on, returns to normal. And also if I pull the dipstick out, you get the same scenario. Put the dipstick back in. Okay, I'm going to take all the camshaft cover off and replace the PCV valve and see if that fixes it. Okay, let's get this apart. Cover off. Get these off, undo the coil. Coil out of the way. Move. This one out of the way so we get more room. Okay, gives us a bit more room. Small little clip behind. Here's the breather hose going to the inlet manifold. Off. Take the coil out. These are a T30. Okay. Gently pull these up, equal pressure. Boot's got stuck in one. There you go. Coil pack out. Put that somewhere safe. Out of the way. Do all the rocker cover by hand first, just undo them, try and do it slightly even because obviously you don't want to bend it, being plastic. You can do it in a crisscross type pattern. they're all loose, hand loose now. Okay, I'm a little bit lazy because I can't be bothered to take this side off, but you should be able to. Take this up. Oh, better wiggle it out. Okay. And there, if you can see, this is the valve that we need to replace. Okay. Okay, the cover itself, or the valve, is held in by these two clips here. So I need to pry this out, and then it should all slide out. Here's the new one to go back in. Do that off camera because it's a little bit difficult to record and let you show exactly what's going on there at the same time, so I'll just replace this valve and show you with the new one in. Okay, unfortunately due to the age of the car and the bits, everything was a bit brittle and it broke up as I was taking it out, so I couldn't really show you that being taken out. So that's after it's come out, and the new one will put a little bit of oil in the oil seals and stuff like that. It just literally slides in. Let me just move this out of the way slightly. Okay, hang on a minute. It's a bit difficult to do one-handed, so give me a second. Okay, new one's been placed in there. Bit of a bugger to get in because I've got to be careful because everything's a little bit brittle, being 19 years old or so. Nice. Put this back together in the reverse order. Okay, just give me a second. Okay. Okay. Oh, tube got caught. Breathe your tube. Okay. Out of the way slightly. Okay, let's sit back down. Now I am using this to run it back in, but I'm not doing it, it's just to bring them down. I'm not putting any torque on them. Just to nip it down, and then we'll torque them up in a minute. Okay, last one down here. Okay. does it. As you can hear, I'm not rat-a-tat-tatting on it. It's just literally just to bring them down to the surface, so I don't have to sit here for hours doing it by hand. Alright, I've just got to go and get the torque wrench, back in a second. Okay, torque for these are 7 Newton meters. And once again, don't just do them all in one go, or all the way to the... There we go. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. I've already done that one. 11. 7. 7. 7. 7. Okay, let's go back and check them all now. Alright, top one. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. Okay, we'll back up to 7. Coil pack in. Okay. Once again, coil. Just using this just to bring them down. Being gentle, not. Okay, right, let's go. I think these are 7 as well. There we go. 7. 7. Okay, coil pucks in. I'll put that on the back there. Oh, I nearly forgot the actual breather tube. Might help. Undo this clip a little bit more. Okay. that goes on, clip goes in. Okay, that back in, plug the coil back in. Put this one on there. Camshaft position sensor, knock sensor, sorry, or whatever. Exhaust inlet. Might be the knock sensor. Unfortunately, I have to buy some more cowling stuff to tie this up. It's just broken up over the years. Okay, I'll do. Okay, let's start it up. See what happens. Perfect. No more hunting. Take the cap off. A little bit. It's expected. We're no longer getting the hissing noise. No longer hunting. Excellent. Job done. That's a Vectra-C Z18XER engine, PCV valve replacement.